today is the turkey time. So in this video I'll be showing you how I made this delicious. These are turkey wings, so I split them. You can see they are big. So let's watch how I made this delicious turkey wings. For turkey, I love wings, and if you take the wings and marinate them very well, which is what I'm going to do, they'll be so great. So I rinsed it, but you also want to take this off. Take it out because they say it's clean and picked out, but no. Okay. So I had already blended, so I'm going to cut them in half because they are too big to fit in there. So I'm gonna do this, cut them in half. Ooh, it's huge, huh? Oh no, it's not gonna work with this. Some lemon. This is great stuff. So half a lemon is good. And then I have black pepper. It's gonna look like a lot of spices, but it's good stuff. Garlic, lemon, pepper. Okay, I'm gonna just cover it with some plastic wrap, and that's it. You'll see. Just brought it out of the refrigerator. Just take the plastic out, and it looks a bit dry. So I'm gonna drizzle some oil on top of it. Just a little bit. So it can be a little happy in the oven, right? So I'm going to bake it slowly so it's nice and brown and cooked inside. So there you have it. This is so good but so painful to take out, you know? So much for trying to look good for your skin. But at some point I'm just gonna like use warm water to take the whole thing because I'm not gonna feel any more pain up here no more. But look how good your skin looks, so smooth, really nice. So that's what you get for trying to look good. Beautiful skin. I like it, except that it's painful when you take it out, but it works. very nice. Still have some little oil at the bottom. It's fine, you don't want it dry.